Okay, so guys, everything is clear, guys. Can you quickly confirm? Are you able to hear me properly? Right, screen is visible to all of you. Okay, great, guys. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting and important concept, guys, which is nested loop. Okay, so don't worry. Topic can be a bit challenging today, but I'll make sure that I'll tell you it will be super fun to all of you. Okay, so this is a promise, guys. So be please, guys, this is a request. Be very careful for today's session. Okay, so stay very energetic. Okay, and use pen and paper, stay straight. Okay, so we start, guys. Before start, let's do something. Let's do some activity together. Okay, so I have collected few interesting image for all of you guys. Can you tell me, guys, what is you are able to see in this image? I need all of your response, guys. Can you tell me what is you are able to see in this image? So it has some inner meaning, guys. So you need to tell what is the inner meaning of this image. Happiness, okay? Yes. So can I say, guys, happiness is a art. Okay, so just see this, right? This person won the third prize. Still the happiness is like looking, right? And this is like first winner, and he's like confused, like exactly. So happiness is a art, guys. So you need to understand how many of you believe on that, guys. It is really what you think. It is really about your attitude. You believe on that, guys. So whatever you have, you should be proud of it. You should be super happy about that, right? Okay, cool. So let's move to this image, guys. This is again very relevant in today's world, guys. Can you tell me, guys, what this image is talking about? So take some time, it has some inner meaning. Exactly, someone is typing जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं है. Don't judge. Exactly, guys, this is the thing. Don't judge a book by its cover, right? So many times, so this is very relevant, guys. So this is you actually while learning programming now. Tell me, guys, I'm right, I'm telling correct or not? So while learning programming, many times you feel that this is not for me. You started self judging yourself. Hota hai kya, guys? Is that happening with you also? So मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता था starting में, guys. I was feeling that this is not like for me, something like that. I was starting self judging myself, right? But you need to understand, guys, whatever always you are able to see outside now, that is not always correct. You might have some inner potential that needs some time, guys. Can you imagine, guys, how potential you can have, right? So always, guys, believe on yourself, believe on your passion, where you have, find some interest and go in that. Okay, cool, guys. So next image, again, very important. This is I specifically collected for all of you guys. Tell me what you are able to understand from this image. Exactly, Mahesh is saying correct. Great things takes time. Process. Okay, it's take time. Okay, I just want all of you to focus here, guys. Can you focus at this stage and just realize one thing, how difficult the process can be from here to here. So from this transition, how difficult it can be, guys. Can you imagine, all of you are able to agree with me, guys? Kitna difficult hoga ye process when the like it was transiting from here to here, right? And you are exactly, guys, in this phase. Yes or no, guys? Most of you are exactly in this phase. That is why here the challenge is a bit difficult. You need to push up a bit. Once you reach at this stage now, after that going to here is very not that difficult. But this is the most important phase, guys. And I believe that all of you are here. So please, guys, understand that good things take some time. Okay? Cool. So let's move this image, guys. This is again, I cannot skip, guys. Tell me what you understand. So in today's world, this is very relevant, guys. Exactly. This is not only about social media, Sanket. This is about n number of things are trying to take your time. It can be social media, it can be other stuff. It can be even like without social media also. There can be n number of things, guys, which are trying to take your time. But you need to be very wise, guys, before allocating any time, because ultimately at the end it is your time, guys, your precious time. And cannot believe, you started thinking, okay, let's put 5 minutes on Instagram scrolling, and ye 5 minute ka एक घंटे हो जाता है तो किसी को पता नहीं चलता है, होता है ये और नो गाइस, right? So please ensure that you be very wise. You know how to prioritize things, right? So there is something called urgent important matrix. So please follow that rule. You can go YouTube and search more about that. So please utilize your time very wisely and do not distract yourself with any. So it can be anything for you. Just few example I have taken here. It can be anything for you, right? It can be even YouTube for you, right? Okay, so please ensure that you do not fall into this trap. Correct, guys? So should we start with our quiz time? Everyone ready? Right? Okay. So today's quiz is going to be very important, guys, because it is quiz on for loop. Okay. So can you tell me, guys, what will be the output if I'm writing my loop in this way? How many times I'm supposed to get this looping printed in console? Okay. Many of you are typing B. Many of you are typing C as well. Okay. Few of you are typing A. Okay. Anything else? Anyone wants to vote for D? वो भी लिख दो, right? Okay. Now let me tell you one thing, guys. Whenever you will be seeing this kind of snippet, what is first? Because you are learning right now, right? So you need to do dry run. All of you remember how I did dry run yesterday? Can you quickly type one? Okay, let's start. What is the initial value of start? Initial value of start is 0. What is the first condition you will be checking? 0 less than 3. Guys, tell me, 0 less than 3 क्या true है? Is that true? Yes, 0 less than 3 definitely true है. So what you have to do? You have to run from here to here. So console.log looping. So one time looping you are getting in your output. After that, what will happen? You will increment your start value, right? Your new start value will become what? Your new start value will become 1. Again, new condition, 1 less than 3. Guys, क्या ये भी true है? Yes, so you'll be printing console.log looping one more time. So second time looping comes, right? After that, again start plus plus, your start value will become 2. Okay, now tell me guys, 2 less than 3, क्या ये भी true है? Yes, so you will be printing it again console.log looping. So third time you will be getting looping in your output, right? After that start plus plus, your 2 value will become 3. And I need all of your response, guys. 3 less than 3. Is that true? No. So here you are getting a false response, and you know whenever inside for loop condition you are getting a false response, what you have to do? You have to terminate your loop. You have to end your loop, and by the time you terminate, this 3 condition will give you 3 looping output printed, right? So what will be my answer, guys? So my answer will be 3. So 3 time I'll be printing here console.log looping. Is that clear to all of you? I need all of your response. So it will start running from 0, then it will run from 1, then it will run for 2, because I have written here less than 3. So I'm not supposed to go till 3. I'm supposed to go till 2, right? Okay. So if you really understood this question, guys, I'm throwing a next question for all of you. Tell me what will be the output for this. Give me the option. Okay. Many of you are typing for now A. Okay. Any other? Okay. 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 One B I got. Okay. B. One B I got. Okay. Anything else? Okay, I think I'm getting answer from A or B. Okay, A or B. Now let's, so guys, one thing, before giving answer, na, try to do, if you take time, that is okay, but don't give a wrong answer because of hurry. Okay, tell me one thing. Again, I'm doing dry run. What is my start value? Start value is 5. Now tell me, 5 less than equal to 9. Is that true? Yes, it is true. So what I have to do? I have to come here. Now tell me, what is my start value? My start value is 5. Now, can you tell me, guys, 5 plus 2 क्या होता है? What is the value of 5 plus 2? So 5 plus 2 will give you what? 7. Now tell me, my first output will 7. अब मेरे को ये बात बताओ. I have my first output 7. Can I eliminate all these 3? Yes or no? I need all of your response here, guys. Right? Yes, so answer will be B. But let's do it. Okay, first I'm getting 7. After that, what I'll do? Start plus plus. what will my new start value? It will become 6. Now tell me, 6 less than equal to 9, क्या 6 9 से छोटा है? Yes, it is true again. So what I'm doing here, console.log start plus 2. What is start value? Start value is 6. So 6 plus 2 will give me what? 6 plus 2 will give me 8. After that, again start plus plus, 6 will become 7. Now tell me, 7 less than equal to 9. Is that true? Yes, it is true. You are coming down, console.log start plus 2. Start plus 2 means 7 plus 2. So that means you are getting 9. After that, again start plus plus, 7 will become 8. So 8 less than equal to 9. Is that true? Yes, it is true. You are coming down, start plus 2, that means 8 plus 2 will give you what? Will give you 10. After that, 8 become 9. Okay, 9 less than equal to 9. Is that true? Yes, it is true. You are coming down, start plus 2, that means 9 plus 2 will give you 11. After that, this 9 will become 10. Now tell me guys, 10 less than equal to 9. Is that true? No, right? So this is a false statement. That means you will be coming out of your loop. And by the time you will come out, you will be getting 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 printed. So which option will be correct, guys? Option B will correct. Is that clear to all of you guys? Can you quickly type one? Okay, so now let's move to the next question, guys. Very simple. And I'm expecting very quick answer from all of you. What is the purpose of continue statement in a loop? Okay. Okay, almost everyone is for now giving me the answer B. Okay, now two things we learned yesterday. Remember, one is break. Okay, another one is continue. Okay, now tell me guys, whenever I'm getting a break, what I have to do? I have to terminate my loop there only because I'm writing break. But if I write here continue, that means I'm not going to end my loop. I'm not going to terminate my loop. Rather, I'm going to skip a particular iteration, right? Based on the condition. So to skip the current iteration and proceed to the next one, that is the exact task of continue statement. Is that? So to exit the loop immediately, this is for break. Okay, now to restart from the beginning, no, this is not. Okay, to end the loop and again go to the next line of code, no, that is not again. So B is the correct answer, guys. Everyone in this meeting understood? Can you quickly confirm? Right? Very, very important concept. Okay, now tell me one more skip snippet we have. Just see this code and quickly tell me, guys, what will be the output here? Okay, I started getting few answer. People are typing, okay, few people are typing C, few of you are typing B, few of you are typing A, okay, D as well. बढ़िया. ठीक है, सारा ऑप्शन मिल गया. Now let's try to find. Okay, many of you are typing A. Okay, now tell me one thing, guys. Here, can I say this is a reverse loop? Yes or no? I'm going step by step. Tell me everyone. क्या मैं इसको बोल सकता हूँ कि ये एक reverse loop है? Why? Because I'm starting from 10 and every time I'm reducing my value. राइट तो ये एक रिवर्स लूप है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. वेयर माय नंबर इज स्टार्टिंग? इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन? 10 greater than 6. Guys, tell me, 10 greater than 6, is that true? Yes, it is true. I'm coming down, console.log start. What is my start value? My start value is 10. I'm printing 10. Okay, now start minus minus. What will be my new start value? My new start value will be 9. Now tell me, 9 greater than 6. Is that true, guys? Yes, it is true. So again, what you will do? You will do console.log start. What is start value, guys? Start value is 9, right? After that, again start minus minus. Your 9 will become 8, guys. So 8 greater than 6. 8 greater than 6. Is that true? So yes, that is also true. So we will be coming down, console.log start. What is your start value? Your start value is 8, right? After that, again start minus minus. This 8 will become 7. Okay, 7 greater than 6. Is that true? Yes, it is true. 7 to greater than hai, right? And then again you will come down, console.log start. You will be printing here 7. After that, this 7 will become what? 6. Now tell me, guys, 6 greater than 6. Is that true? क्या ये true है? I need all of your response, guys. क्या 6 is greater than 6? No, right? 6 is definitely not greater than 6, right? So you are getting a false statement. That means here you need to terminate your loop, right? And by the time you terminate, what are the values you are getting? So 10, 9, 8, 7. And be very careful. Here I'm not writing equal to. So अगर इधर में equal to लिखता, in that case I am supposed to go till 6, right? So here I'm not writing equal to, that means I'm going to go till 7. So 10, 9, 8, 7. So option A will be correct here. So those of you vote for option A is very, very correct here. Is that clear? Right? All of you are now getting the idea is that we are revising things and your for loop clarity becomes to next level, right? Okay. Now be very careful, very simple question, but it can be tricky. So, okay, one question by, okay. So yes, exactly. So if you write here less than equal to 6, in that case, it will print 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, then 6. Understood? So if you are writing less than equal, greater than equal to 6. If you are writing only greater than, that means you will be printing 10, 9, 8, and then 7. So option A is correct. Right? Okay. So now tell me guys, what will be the output if I'm having a code snippet like that? Now here the question is not about the output. Question is that in this following code, what will cause my loop to terminate? कौन सा वो लाइन है जो इस लूप को टर्मिनेट करने में हेल्प करेगा? Very simple question, guys. Okay. Okay, almost all of you, few expect except few, almost all of you are typing break. That means option B. Okay, now few of you are typing C. I don't know why. Okay, but let's do it together, guys. Okay, what is my start value? Start value is 0. Okay, first condition 0 less than 5. क्या 0 less than 5 true है? Yes, it is true. You are coming down. Now tell me, guys, if 0 is equal to 3, is that true? No, so you don't have to do anything here. Console.log start. What is your start value? Start value is 0. So you are printing 0. After that, start plus plus. That means your 0 value will become what? 1 value. Now tell me guys, 1 less than 5. Is that true? Yes, that is true. Again, you will come down. Again, your condition. If start, what is my start value? 1. So 1 is triple equal to 3. Is that true? No, not again. So you will come down console.log start. What is your start value? Start value is 1. So you are printing 1. After that, again start plus plus. Now your 1 value will become 2. So 2 less than 5, which is your condition, which is again true. You are coming down. Tell me guys, 2 triple equal to 3. Is that true? अभी भी नहीं, 2 is definitely not equal to 3. So this is not again done. So you are coming down console.log start. What is your start value? Start value is 2. After that, start plus plus will happen and your 2 value will become what? Your 2 value will become 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now tell me guys, 3 less than 5. क्या 3 less than 5 true है? Yes, it is true. So what you will do? You will come down. But now tell me guys, inside if, what is your start value? Your start value is 3. And you are writing 3 is triple equal to 3. Guys, is that true? Yes, that is true. So here you are getting this condition true. That means you have to run this if block. Now what you have written guys, you have written here break. So tell me guys, whenever you will be running this break, what you will do? You will terminate your loop there only, right? So you will be getting only 0, 1, 2 output. After that your code will terminate. Now tell me guys, what will cause the loop to terminate? So the break statement that I have written here, which will cause my loop to terminate. क्या ये सबके लिए clear है guys? I need all of your response. So because of this break statement, my loop will terminate when my start value is equal to 3. Right? Okay. You want to, should I give you one more problem here? Are you ready? If you really understood? Okay. Now let's say what I'm doing here. So I'm writing here. So this is 0 and this is 5. Can you tell me how this loop will run? This loop will start from 0 and then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Anyone having any doubt till here? So this loop will start from 0, then this loop will go to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Why till 4? Because I'm writing less than 5. That means I know I don't have to go till 5. I'll be going till 4. Now tell me one thing. Now here I'm changing my condition. So here I'm writing if start value is equal to let's say 10. Now this is my code. I have changed only one thing here. Is start value is equal to 10. Now can you tell me which option will be correct in that case? Which will cause my loop to terminate? I need all of your response. Be very, very careful. Okay, many of you are typing, sir, D. The loop will not terminate. But few of you are typing, sir, A. Now let's understand, guys. Now tell me one thing. So first time when this loop will start, it will start from 0 start value. Then it will go to 1 start. Then it will go to 2. Then it will go to 3. Then it will go to 4. Right? And you will be getting all this printed. Right? Okay. Because again ये कहीं से मैच नहीं होगा, राइट. 0 इज इक्वल टू 10 नहीं हुआ, 1 इज इक्वल टू 10 नहीं हुआ, 2 इज इक्वल टू 10 इट इज नॉट मैचिंग, 3 इज इक्वल टू 10 it is not matching, 4 is equal to 10 it is not matching. After that this 4 will become 5, yes or no? Due to this start plus plus 4 will become 5. Now tell me one thing, guys. Then you will be checking this condition. What is your condition? 5 less than 5. क्या 5 less than 5 true है, guys? No. So it will give you false. That means what you will do, your loop will normally terminate जैसे होता है, right? Okay. Now tell me, guys, what will cause my loop to terminate? This condition that I have here, start less than 5, will cause my loop to terminate, because this is normal way of terminating a loop. Understood, guys? 100%. I need all of your response. Very sensitive and critical point, guys. Is that clear? Right? So it is not like that. अगर आप कोई भी for loop लिखोगे in this earth, it has to be terminated by something, right? नहीं तो ये infinite loop होगा, नहीं तो ये चलता जाएगा if you are not stopping down. So by default normally for loop condition पे ही terminate होता है, right? But in between if you are writing break, in that case it will terminate because of break statement. Understood, guys? सबके लिए, right? Okay. So now one more question. Why I am sharing? Because in today's topic, whatever we'll be learning, for loop understanding is very important. Okay. Now tell me, guys, what will be the output for this? I want very quick response from all of you. Which option will be correct? Okay. Again, I get multiple. Some of you are typing B. Some of you are typing D. Okay. Few of you are typing C. Okay. Now tell me, it will start from where? Again, it will start from 0. Okay. 0 less than 10, which is a true condition. You will come down. Console.log start. What is your start value? Start value is 0. So you will be printing here 0. Okay. After that, what will be your new start value, guys? Your new start value 1 नहीं होगा. Your new start value will be 0 is equal 0 plus 2, right? Because you are incrementing by 2-fold. So your new start value will become what? Your new start value will become 2. Now tell me, 2 less than 10, क्या ये भी true है? Yes. You'll be printing 2. After that, your new start value will become 4. So 4 less than 10. This is also true. You will be printing 4. After that, this 4 will become 6. Now tell me, 6 less than 10. Is that true? Yes, it is true. So you'll be printing 6. After that, this 6 will become what? 8. Now tell me, 8 less than 10. Is that true? Yes, it is true. You will be printing 8. After that, this 8 will become 10. Now tell me, guys, 10 less than 10. क्या ये true है? Is 10 less than 10? No, right? So here your loop will break. And by the time your loop will break, tell me, guys, 0, 2, 4, 6, 10. Right? So not 10. So after 6, it will be 8, guys. So 0, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So option B is correct, guys. Is that clear too? We are not supposed to get till 10. Why? Because I'm writing here less than. Understand, karo. If I'm writing here less than equal to 10, in that case, my output should be something like that. 0, 2, 4, 6, 10. So इसमें मैंने सिर्फ लेस देन लिखा है, दैट मीन्स आई नीड टू गो टिल 8, राइट, लास्ट इटरेशन तक जाएंगे, 10 तक नहीं जाएंगे। सो 0 2 4 6 8 सभी बताओ गाइस, बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया है, राइट, right? Okay, so done. So again, it is two step. In case if you are still repeat like not able to understand, please guys do a dry run or you can watch this recording, okay, because we need to start with today's topic, okay. So now guys, once everyone ready, let's jump into today's topic, which is nested loop. Guys, everyone please take pen and paper, we are starting our session, right? Okay, first thing guys, I'm going to go very slowly. Please tell me guys, are you all ready? Can you quickly type one, guys? Should we start? Okay, so let's start guys. So nested loop, guys, can I call, so when you learn about nested if you remember, so what is nested if? So you are writing some if condition, and inside that if you are writing one more if condition. Is that is called nested if, right? So one if outside, okay, inside that you are writing one more if. So similar thing, can I call nested loop is nothing but loop within and loop, right? So can I say there will be an outer loop, right? Okay, and inside this outer loop you will be having another loop, which is your inner loop. Is that clear guys? So can I call this as my nested loop, right? So here this is my outer loop, this is my inner loop, right? Okay, so we just understand what is nested loop, right? We should have some outer loop, we should have some inner loop, right? Okay, so now let's jump with a story, guys. Very, very important story, guys. I need all of your focus here. This is the story of Sam and Dadaji. Who is Sam? So this is Sam. Okay. Who is Dadaji? Okay, this is Dadaji. Okay. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Now, what is you are able to see here? This is your apple field. Okay. This is Dadaji's apple field. Okay. How many total apples are there? Can you quickly count and tell me? So total 16 apples are there. Okay. And what is this? This is the basket. Okay. Where apple will be collected from field. Okay. Now can you do a simple guess, guys? What do you think? Who will be collecting apple from the field? कौन है कैपेबल फील्ड से एप्पल कलेक्ट करने के लिए, सैम और दादाजी? Sam, right? So Dadaji is Buddha, right? Old ho gaya, right? Dadaji is not going to go to field one and collecting apple, right? So Dadaji will be guiding Sam, okay? Dadaji is a guide, okay? And Sam will be responsible for collect. Is that clear so far, guys? I need all of your response. This is a story of Sam and Dadaji. Sam will be responsible for collecting apple, right? And Dadaji will be responsible for guiding apple. Guiding ki which field, which row to collect. Okay, let me share you once more. Guys, can I call this whole, like from this to this, can I call this whole as my row 1? Is that, can I call? Can I call this whole as my, this is my second row? That means, let's say this is row 2. Can I call this whole as my row 3, R3? And can I call this whole as my row 4? Kya ye clear hai, guys? So how many rows are there in this field? There are total 4 rows present. Okay. Now can you tell me, guys, in each row, how many apples are there? So in each row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 apple present. Understood, guys? Okay. Now let's start with the story. Okay, so Dadaji is starting guiding Sam. Hey Sam, please collect apple from row 1, and Sam is going to collect first apple. Okay, now Sam is going to the next. Now row 1 done. I need all of your response, guys. R1 is done and all the 4 apple is being collected in this bucket. Is that clear? Okay, now what Dadaji will say? Dadaji will say, hey Sam, we are done for row 1. Please move to row 2. Okay, so Dadaji will come to row 2. Sam will again come to row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, Dadaji will move to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, move to next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear to all of you guys? All this apple is being collected in this bucket. Story part is clear. Forget everything else, guys. कुछ भी है, कुछ भी लाइफ पे आपका चल रहा है, भूल जाओ. ये स्टोरी क्लियर है कि बताओ? ठीक है. Okay, again I'm repeating same thing. Okay, Dadaji is responsible for guiding. Okay, and Sam is responsible for collecting. Okay, Dadaji guided for first 1 2 3 4 done, move 1 2 3 4 done, move 1 2 3 4 move 1 2 3 4, and all these apple is being collected. So done. Now we'll code this out, guys, and you cannot imagine what important things you have learned just now. Okay, everyone ready for the session, guys? Can you quickly tell me, guys, is that clear so far? If you really understood, tell me, guys, how many times Dadaji is running? I need all of your response. How many times Dadaji is running? So there are 4 rows, right? Okay, 1 2 3, and then let's say 4. So Dadaji is running 1 2 3 4 times. Yes, so Dadaji is running 4 times. Okay, now second question, how many times Sam is running, guys? Understood, guys. Sam is running total 16 times. Is that? But for each row, how many times Sam is running? For each row, that means for each Dadaji position, is that? For each Dadaji position, Sam is running 4 times. But in total, Sam is running 16 times. Okay. So here I'm writing for each Dadaji position, Sam is running 4 times. क्या ये पार्ट क्लियर है? Exactly. Okay. So now I need to run Dadaji 4 times. Okay. Can I run a loop for Dadaji, guys? So let's start. For let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. Is that clear to all of you guys? So let's say here I'm writing Dadaji. Chalo. So Dadaji is equal to 1. Here I'm writing Dadaji less than equal to 4 and Dadaji plus plus. Can you tell me, guys, how many times this loop will run? Can I say, sir, this loop will start from 1, then it will go to 2, then it will go to 3, and then it will go till 4, because here I am writing equal to. That means in total this loop will run 4 times, and our problem solved, because as per our requirement I need to run Dadaji 4 times. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Outer loop is done, guys. Everyone is clear? Can you quickly confirm this is our outer loop for Dadaji? Okay, now let's run for our inner loop, guys. Okay, this is for Sam. Guys, tell me, guys, how many times Sam is running for each Dadaji? So for each Dadaji value, Sam is running 4 times. So again, I need to run here. So let Sam is equal to 1. Okay. Sam is less than equal to 4. Okay. And then Sam plus plus. Can you tell me, guys, how many times this inner loop is running? This inner loop is starting again from 1, then 2, then 3, and then it will go till 4. So total how many times it is running? It is total running 4 times, right? So our outer loop is running 4 times. Our Sam inner loop is running for each Dadaji value 4 times, right? Okay, now I'm going to do some crazy thing. Okay, here I'm going to write console.log Dadaji, comma Sam. Okay. Now I don't want anyone to understand a single thing what I have written here. ये मैंने discuss अभी start ही नहीं किया. Forget about this whole code. Okay. कुछ नहीं समझना है आपको. Just all of you will be focusing in this output. Okay. What we are able to see. So I'm going to click on this run button. Okay. And forget about this and try to focus on this output, guys. I need all of your response. Okay. Dadaji value 1. That means Dadaji at row 1, Sam is collecting first apple. Dadaji still row 1, Sam is collecting second apple. Dadaji still row 1, Sam is collecting third apple. Dadaji still row 1, Sam is collecting fourth apple. Can I say all my R1 done here? Is that? Now Dadaji is guiding, okay, hey Sam, please move to the next row. So Dadaji value now changed from 1 to 2. Sam is again collecting first apple. Okay, then 2, okay, again for second apple. Okay, 2, third apple. 2, fourth apple. And this is all the apple for R2. Similarly, again Dadaji will, okay, so this is all the apple for R3. Is that clear to all of you? And here, if I say, if I scroll it down, so last you can see this is Dadaji value 4, okay, Sam 1, Dadaji value 4, Sam 2, okay, Dadaji value 4, Sam 3, Dadaji value 4, Sam 4. This is all the apple for R4. Is that clear to all of you? Are you able to relate with the story, guys? Just this is, forget about all other thing. क्या आप स्टोरी से रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं? Can you tell me how many times total I am running all of this thing? 16 time, guys. This is 4. This is 4 for second loop. This is 4 for third one. Okay, and this is last for last loop, last row ke liye, this is again 4. So total this is running 16 time, and this is for the R1. So all the case Dadaji value is 1, but Sam is collecting 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple. क्या ये पार्ट क्लियर है सबके लिए? कैन यू क्विकली टाइप ऑन, गाइस? Okay, so now guys, let's understand ki how we are getting this output here under the hood, how this is working. JavaScript इसको कैसे काम करवा रहा है, right? Okay, now let's start, guys. I need all of your response here. Okay, can you tell me, guys, what is the starting value of Dadaji? Starting value of Dadaji is 1. Okay, what is the first condition? First condition is 1 less than equal to 4. Guys, क्या ये true है? क्या 1 is less than equal to 4? Yes, guys, this is a true statement. So what you have to do? You have to run from here to here, whatever you have written. Okay, now you come here and line number 10, you see, oh my God, I have one more for loop. So what I have to do? I have to run this for loop again, because जब तक ये for loop end नहीं हो जाएगा, मैं last line पे नहीं आऊंगा, right? And तब तक I cannot increment my दादाजी value, because first I need to run from here to here whole, then only I can increment my दादाजी value for next iteration, right? And इस बीच में मेरे को एक loop आ गया, right? Now I'll be starting from Sam loop. Can you tell me what is the first value of Sam? So Sam value started again from 1. Okay, what is the condition? So 1 less than equal to 4. क्या ये true है? Yes, this is true. So what you will be doing then? You are coming to line number 11. Console.log Dadaji Sam. What is Dadaji value, guys? Dadaji value is 1. What is Sam value? Sam value is 1. So what is your printing? Dadaji value 1, Sam value 1. After that, you are in this inner loop, right? You will increment by Sam value by 1. So your new Sam value will become, instead of 1, it will become 2. Now tell me, 2 less than equal to 4. क्या ये भी true है? Yes, this is also true. So you are coming down again. Console.log Dadaji comma Sam. What is my Dadaji value, guys? Dadaji value still 1, right? So what is my Dadaji value? 1. Okay, what is my Sam value? My Sam value become 2, right? So here I am getting 1, 2. After that, again Sam plus plus. What will be new value? New value will be 3. Now tell me, 3 less than equal to 4. Is that true? Yes, that is true. You will come down again. Console.log Dadaji. Dadaji value still 1. Okay, but what is your Sam value? Your Sam value is 3, right? After that, again Sam plus plus, this 3 will become 4. Now tell me, 4 less than equal to 4, which is again true. So you will come down, console.log Dadaji value, which is 1, and Sam value, which is 4. After that, Sam plus plus, your 4 value will become 5. Now I need all of your response, guys. 5 less than equal to 4. क्या ये true है? क्या 5 is less than equal to 4 है? Definitely no, right? 5 कभी छोटा नहीं है 4 से, right? So this is a false statement. Now understood very carefully. False statement we are getting inside this inner loop. So my inner loop will terminate here. So when my inner loop will terminate, I'll come to line number 13. ये पहली बार स्टार्ट किया था हमने इधर से. Now I am ending here line number 13. So now what I have to do? I am done for a particular iteration. Dadaji will say, hey, please move to the next row. So Dadaji plus plus. So my new Dadaji value will become what? My new Dadaji value will become 2. Again, what will be the condition? Condition will be 2 less than equal to 4. क्या ये true condition है? Yes. Again, I will start from first. Okay. Now tell me what is my SAM value? SAM value is 1. Again, 1 less than equal to 4. It is true. Now I'll print console.log Dadaji. What is my Dadaji value now? My Dadaji value is 2. What is my SAM value now? SAM value 1. So Dadaji value 2, SAM 1. SAM plus plus, move to next iteration. Dadaji value 2, SAM 2. SAM plus plus, move to next iteration. Dadaji value 2, SAM 3. SAM plus plus, move to next iteration. Dadaji value 2, SAM value 4. SAM plus plus, SAM will become 5, and then this condition will again false. Again, your inner loop will terminate. You will come at the end. Dadaji will move to the next iteration. Your 2 value will become 3. So 3 less than equal to 4, which is again a true condition. Again, all this code will be running because for each Dadaji value, SAM will run 4 times. So SAM 1, SAM 2, SAM 3, SAM 4. After that, again 5 hoga. Is this inner loop will again terminate. Your Dadaji value will become 4. Again, all these 4 value will be running. And then your Dadaji value will become 5. So when your Dadaji value will become 5, so 5 less than equal to 4, which is a false condition, you will be come out of your loop because your Dadaji condition is false. And that is why you are getting all this output. Is that clear to all of you how this code is working, guys? Can I get everyone's one or repeat? So should I repeat it quickly in a rapid revision how things are working? Yes. So let me quickly repeat once more. Okay. Now tell me one thing. So Dadaji, how many times Dadaji is running? Dadaji is running here 4 times. Okay. What are the values? So it started from 1, then it will become 2, then it will become 3, then it will become 4. Is that clear? Only this part is clear to all of you guys. Can you quickly confirm? So Dadaji is running 4 times with starting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many times Sam is running for each Dadaji? For each Dadaji, Sam is running again 4 times, right? So again 1, 2, 3, 4. So for each Dadaji value, Sam is running 4 times. So for Dadaji value 1, Sam is running 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Dadaji value move to the next value, which is 2. So 2, again 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, again Dadaji move to next. Okay, 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, again move to the next. Okay, 4. So 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Understood, guys? Can you quickly confirm how you are getting this output in console? Is that clear? Right. So this is the story, guys. Okay. And this is how the power of it. Okay. Now I want all of you to focus on this image for 30 seconds and tell me, guys, are you getting similar kind of thing here as well? Are you able to relate Dadaji and Sam here? Okay, let's start. Can I call this outer loop? This is for Dadaji. Now tell, for each Dadaji value, Sam is running all the time. Again, Dadaji value move, Sam is running all the time. Again, Dadaji value move, Sam is running all the time. Is that relatable, guys? Are you all able to relate? Can you quickly type 1? For again, it is moving ahead, Sam is running all the time. Moving ahead, Sam is running all the time. Right? Yes, it is relatable. Okay? Sure. So now tell me one thing, guys. So this I that I took, so let's say here I took Dadaji and Sam, right? Okay. So here I took this as my Dadaji, okay? And this is my Sam. Okay. So, but good convention is that developers are using this Dadaji as I, okay, and this Sam as J, where I is this parent, okay, and J is the child. Okay, so now let's rewrite this code once more, okay, with I and J. So let me remove it, like, or comment it. Okay, we'll write it again from scratch. Okay, how many times Dadaji is running? Dadaji is running 4 times. Okay, so for let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. Okay, done. How many times Sam is running for each Dadaji? Again 4 times. So for let j is equal to 1, j less than equal to 4, j plus plus. Okay, so let's say I'm printing here console.log I, which is my Dadaji value, comma j, which is my Sam value. So now if I run this thing again, what I'm getting? I'm getting similar output which we saw. Is that clear, guys? Same. Okay. Guys, how many time outer loop is running? 4 time. How many time inner loop is running? 4 time. So how many time line number 19 will be running? Can I simply multiply it? 4 multiplied 4. So what will be the value? 16 time. Is that clear, guys? So how can I do simple multiplication? So how many time outer loop is running? 4. How many time inner loop is running? 4. So 4 multiplied 4, 16. That is the reason this whole you can count. This is running 16 time. That means total 16 apple will be collected by Sam. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Let's say I make a change here. So let's say I'm writing here 3. Okay. Now can you tell me, guys, how many time Dadaji will run? How many times Dadaji will run? So now Dadaji will not going to run 4 times, right? So Dadaji will start from 1, then 2, then 3. So total Dadaji will be running 3 times. How many times Sam will run for each Dadaji? Sam will still run 4 times for each Dadaji, right? तो अपना field कैसा होगा? Field होगा 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apple, okay. And then you will be having 3 row, right? Because Dadaji will run 3 times. Is that clear? Are you all able to relate with this? I need all of your response. क्या ऐसा मेरा apple field होगा? Right. How many time total line number 19 will be running? कितना बार line number 19 will be running? Can I do 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12? And can you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Is that wow, guys? Are you all able to relate with the story? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now will we move to the problem solving, guys? Then you will understand the power of it, what just we have learned. Okay. Cool. Now I need all of your response, guys. Can you tell me, we have to print this. Just tell me one thing, guys. How many times Dadaji is running here? How many times Dadaji is running? So everyone is saying, sir, Dadaji is running 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. So total 5 times is Dadaji running. Now tell me, guys, how many times Sam is running? For each Dadaji position, Sam is running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that clear? So Dadaji is running 5 times. Sam is running 10 times. Now can I go here and start writing? So for let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Can I say Dadaji will run 5 times? Is that clear? Can you all do that? So Dadaji is running here 5 times. Okay. So how many times Sam is running for each Dadaji? So Sam is running 10 times, right? So can you see here? Sam is running 10 times for each Dadaji. Okay. So right, can I do something like that? For Sam is starting for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, and then I plus plus. Is that I need all of your response, guys. By seeing this image, can I write this? By seeing this image, Dadaji 5 and Sam is 10, can I write this? Can anyone in this meeting write that? If I give you some different image, can you write that? If I give you this image, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me how many times Dadaji is running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many times Sam is running? 1, 2, 3. Can you write a loop? For either you will be writing loop so that it will run 5 times. Okay, inside that for you will be writing loop, it will run 3 times. Right. Okay, so we learn this thing, right? Okay, now I have a question for all of you. Can you tell me, guys, who will be responsible for giving apple? Like collecting apple. Who is responsible for collecting apple? Sam or Dadaji? Sam, right? And who is responsible for guiding and giving bucket to the Sam? Dadaji is responsible for giving bag to the Sam, right? Okay, can I create a bag here? You can create anything. You can create any variable name. So let's say I'm creating a bag with an empty string. So initially there is nothing present in my bag. So Dadaji is giving an empty bag. Now who will be collecting apple into this empty bag? Sam will be collecting apple, right? So can I write here something like that? Sam will, whenever Sam will be running, Sam will be adding bag is equal to whatever we have inside bag plus 1 star. So 1 star whenever, let's say this Sam will be running 10 times. Can you tell me how many stars Sam will add then? अगर Sam 10 पर रन होता है तो Sam will be adding 10 star because this line will be running 10 time in that case. So it will add 10 star into this bag value, right? Yes. So now once everything done for a particular row, then Dadaji will say, okay, let's check Sam, what you have collected for a row. So I'm going to print console.log bag. Okay. Now first let's print this output. Okay. Forget about, about this code. You don't have to understand anything right now. Tell me guys, our problem solved or not? See this? And series. Be very careful and tell me guys, is that solved our problem exactly? क्या हमारा problem solve हो गया or still something is remaining? See it very carefully. This is the star which is question and this is what we are getting. Those of you are typing solved, I'm again sharing. This is the question, this is the answer. Exactly guys, there is a space missing. Can you see here? Here we are having a space in between these two star, right? Okay, now do I have any space here in between? No, right? So can I do one thing is I'm asking Sam, whenever you will be adding a star, please add a space as well. So add 1 star, after that add 1 space. So now let me run. Done. Now our problem being solved. Now let's understand guys how Sam is able to print all this thing in your output. Okay. Again, I'll start from scratch, guys. Tell me, what is the I value started? When Dadaji started, I value is 1. Okay, now tell me, 1 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yeah, 1 less than equal to 5? Yes, it is true, right? So what you will be doing? You will be coming down. Now tell me, guys, line number 28. What you have inside bag? Inside bag you have an empty string. That means nothing is present here, right? Okay, now tell me guys, Sam. So Sam loop started. Okay, when Sam loop will started, your I value will be 1. What is your first condition? 1 less than equal to 10. Guys tell me, 1 less than equal to 10, क्या ये true है? क्या 1 10 से छोटा है? Yes. So you will come down. What you will do here? Bag equals to bag plus 1 star 1 space. Can you tell me what is bag? Bag is right now an empty string क्योंकि इसमें कुछ नहीं present है. You are doing an empty string plus 1 star 1 add. Can I can I say my new bag value will be 1 star and then 1 space? Is that clear till here, guys? I need all of your one. So when Sam will be running one time, Sam will be adding 1 star and then 1 space. Then second time, Sam value will become 2. So 2 less than equal to 10, which is again true. Sam will be running it again. Now tell me, my bag is not empty now. Now my bag is something like that. 1 star, 1 space. And what I'm doing, I'm saying 1 star, 1 space plus 1 star, 1 space. So 1 star, 1 space plus 1 star, 1 space. What will be my new bag value? Can I say my new bag value will be 1 star, 1 space, 1 star, 1 space? Is that clear? So Sam is running second time. After that, again, Sam will be running 3, right? Now tell me 3 less than equal to 10, which is again true. Again, this line number 32 will run. Bag is equal to bag. What is now bag? Now my bag is 2 star 2 space, and I'm adding one more star, one more space. What will be my new bag value, guys? My new bag value will be 1 star 1 space, 1 star 1 space, जो already था, and one more star, one more space will be added. Now tell me, guys, how many times that Sam will run something like that? Sam will be running total 10 times. So how many stars Sam will be adding something like? So Sam will be adding total 10 star and 10 space in a string. Is that clear, guys? For a single row. After that, last time I value will become 11 and Sam will break. So this outer loop will break. Okay, now here we will be running line number 35. Console.log bag. What is present in your bag? A 10 star 10 space is present in your bag, right? And that whole you will be printing for the first time. And again, after that, you will be ending everything. You will be doing here I plus plus. So your one value will become 2. So 2 less than equal to 5, which is again true. Again, you will come down. Again, you will be having an empty bag. Again, Sam will be running 10 times. Again, Sam will be adding 10 star into this bag. Again, you will be printing console.log bag. Again, you will be seeing their 10 star. After that, again 2 will become 3, you will be printing again 10 star. 3 will become 4, you will be printing again 10 star. 4 will become 5, you will be printing again 10 star. After that, 5 will become 6. Sure, this condition will be triggered. Your loop will be terminated from this. And by the time it terminates, you will be getting all these beautifully pattern printed output in console. Is that clear to all of you guys? Are you able to relate with the story? Understood it very carefully, right? Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite this thing again. Okay, quickly. I need all of your help, guys. Let's say I need to print this pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need all of your response, guys. How many times I need to run Dadaji? One time, two time, three time. Okay. How many times I need to run Sam? One time, two time, three time, four time, right? So four time I need to run Sam. Okay. Now tell me one thing. For let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 3. So Dadaji, I need to run Dadaji how many time, guys? Kitna tha? Can you quickly type? 3 or 4? 3 times, right? Okay. So let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. So Dadaji will run 3 times, right? Okay. How many times I need to run Sam? I need to run Sam 4 times, right? Okay. I'm writing here for let I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 4. Sorry, it will be J, right? For Sam. So J plus plus. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Now tell me, guys, who will be giving empty bag? Dadaji will be giving empty bag. Can I do let bag is equal to an empty string? Yes. Who will be collecting apple into the bag? Sam will be collecting apple. Can I do bag is equal to whatever you have present in your bag plus add a star with a space. Okay. And now tell me, guys, once everything done for a particular row, Dadaji needs to print. So console.log bag. So now if I run this thing, I'm getting the exact output printed. Is that clear to all of you guys? Can you do any kind of printing? Any, let's say I'm asking you to print 7 by 10. Can you print? 7 by 10 means 7 time, and here it will be 10 time. Can you print? Yes. Let's say I'm asking you to print 12 by 2. So 12 by 2 means for each field 2 apples, but such that you have 12 time. Can you print all those? Yes. Okay. Understood, guys? Okay. So now let's move to one more question, guys. Okay. Can you tell me how many times Dadaji is running here? Okay, so very simple, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Dadaji is running 5 times. Okay, how many times Sam is running? Be very careful and tell me. For each Dadaji value. Can I say here it depends? Sometimes Sam is running 1 time, sometimes Sam is running 2 times, sometimes Sam is running 3 times, sometimes it is running 4 times, sometimes it is running 5 times. Can I say here for this question, Sam running, it depends. It depends. It's a variable. Yes or no? I need all of your response, guys. क्या ये part clear है? So Dadaji running 5 times, it is good, it is fixed. But how many times Sam is running, it depends. What are the maximum time Sam can run here? Maximum time Sam is running here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Okay. Now let's do one thing. So can I do here something like that? Dadaji is running 5 times. Okay. Sam maximum can run 5 times. Is that clear, guys? I need all of your response. Can I do that? So I'm getting this output which is not matching, but what is the missing? Missing part is that for Dadaji value 1, I need to run it 1 time. For Dadaji value 2, I need to run it 2 times. For Dadaji value 3, I need to run it 3 times. For Dadaji value 4, I need to run it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. For Dadaji value 5, I need to run it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I need all of your response, guys. Can everyone type one that ये जो Sam run होगा, Sam running is depend on दादाजी का value, which is I value. Is that clear, guys? Sam, the number of time Sam will run is dependent on the I value. अगर I value 1 है, सैम एक बार रन करेगा. अगर आई वैल्यू 2 है, सैम विल रन 2 टाइम. अगर आई वैल्यू 3 है, सैम विल बी रनिंग 3 टाइम. Yes or no? Wow, guys, got it, everyone. Now tell me one thing, guys. Instead of writing here 5, can I write here simply I? Now let's run this thing. Wow. So now tell me, when this loop is running, what is my I value? My I value is 1. Now tell me, for I value is 1, what I'm writing? I'm writing I need to go till I. That means I need to go till 1. So how many times Sam will run? Sam will run 1 time. For second iteration, what is my I value? Second iteration, my I value is 2. And I'm going j less than equal to 2. How many times Sam will run? Sam will run 2 times. And next time Sam will be running 3 times, then Sam will be running 4 times, then Sam will be running 5 times. So here I make a dependency here on I. So how many times Sam will run? Sam will start from 1, but अगर I value 1 है तो एक बार run होगा. Sam will start from 1, but I value 2 है तो it will run for 1 and then 2. अगर I value is 3, it will start from 1, then it will go to 2, then it will go to 3. Then Sam value, the I value is 4, 3, 4. So it will start from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And then Sam value is, let's say I value is 5. So it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that clear, guys? I need all of your response. Everyone in this meeting understood how I make a dependency here on I, and we are getting this output because now Sam running is dependent on I value. Let me do a quick dry run, guys. Okay, when this loop is starting, what is my I value? I value is 1. Okay, what is my condition? 1 less than equal to 5. Tell me, guys, क्या ये true है? Yes, it is true. I'm coming down. Bag is an empty string. Now tell me, I'm coming here for loop. What is j value? J value is 1. Okay, now tell me, 1 less than equal to I. What is my I value? I value is 1. So 1 less than equal to 1. Is that true? Yes, that is true. What I'm doing? Console.log bag equals to bag plus an empty string, right? Star and string. So what will be my new bag value? So my new bag value will become 1 star, 1 space, right? After that, j plus plus this 1 will become 2. Now tell me 2 less than equal to 1. Is that true? क्या 2 1 से छोटा ये इक्वल है? No, right? This is definitely not a true. So what it will do, guys? It will terminate your inner loop. Now tell me, guys, what you have inside your bag? One star, one space. You are printing console.log bag. What is present here? One star, one space, one space. You are not able to see here, but it is present. Is that clear? After that I plus plus, your I value will become 2. So 2 less than equal to 5, which is again true. So you are coming down, your bag becomes again empty string. Again your j will start from 1. Now tell me, j will start from 1. So 1 less than equal to, now what is your I value? Now my I value is 2. So 1 less than equal to 2. Is that true? Yes. So what it will do? It will add 1 star, 1 space. So your bag will become 1 star, 1 space, right? Okay. After that, j plus plus, your I value will become 1. J value will become 1 to 2. Now tell me, 2 less than equal to 2. Is that true? Yes, that is true again. So what it will do, again you will be writing bag equals to bag plus an empty string. So your new bag value will become 1 star 1 string space जो पहले था, 1 more star 1 more space जो अभी आया, right? After that, again your j will increment. So your j value become 3. Now tell me, 3 less than equal to 2. क्या ये अभी false है? Yes, this is a false. That means your loop will terminate. Now, when your loop will again terminate, tell me console.log bag. What you have present inside your bag? You have present 2 star 2 space. So 1 star 1 space, 1 more star 1 more space. This is your printing. Next time, again I plus plus, 2 value will increment to 3. Now tell me how many star it will add if I value is 3. So it will add 3 star 3 space. So after that it will terminate. So 3 star 3 space. After that 4 value, it will add 4 stars 4 space, right? After that it will add 5 value. So 5 star 5 space. After that it will become 6, and your outer loop will terminate from this thing. And hence you are getting all this beautifully printed out. Is that clear to all of you guys? I need all of your response here. Right? You all understand the beauty of the story, guys. One story, एक story हमने पढ़ा था starting में, अभी तक वही चल रहा है, guys. We are not even single time deviating that story. Right? Okay, please ensure that you do proper dry run on your side as well. Okay, then you will understand completely 100% how things are working here. Okay, okay. So now tell me one thing, guys. So this is the problem that is solved. Okay, now we need to print this problem. I need all of your response, guys. Okay, how many times Dadaji is running? Same. How many times Sam is running? Again, it is a variable. Okay, what is my Dadaji value here? My Dadaji value here is 1. What is my Dadaji value here? So here my Dadaji value is 2. Here my Dadaji value is 3. Here my Dadaji value is 4. Here my Dadaji value is 5. Is that clear? बस ये part. What is the Dadaji value in each row? इस रो पे दादाजी वैल्यू है 1, इस रो पे दादाजी का वैल्यू 2, इधर 3, इधर 4, इधर 5. ये पार्ट क्लियर है? Okay, now tell me, Dadaji value 2, and for Dadaji value, let's say 1. Sam value first time what? Sam value will start from 1. Okay, now when Dadaji value is 2, Sam value will start from 1 and then it become 2. Okay, now Dadaji value 3, Sam value will start from 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, Dadaji value 4, Sam value will start 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Dadaji value 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me one thing, do I need to add star here? क्या मेरे को इसमें स्टार ऐड करना है? No, right? I don't have to add star. Then what I have to add? देखो ये मेरा दादाजी का वैल्यू है. Do I have to add दादाजी का वैल्यू? Do I have to add I और J? क्या I ऐड करना है या सैम को ऐड करना है? सैम को ऐड करना है, क्योंकि सैम वैल्यू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 2 3 4. इस इस पूरे रो के लिए जे का वैल्यू तो 4 ही है, राइट? इस पूरे रो के लिए जे का वैल्यू तो 5 ही है, राइट? आई डोंट हैव टू डू दिस, राइट? सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, I have to add Sam value every time instead of star. So can I do one simple change here? Instead of putting star and a space, can I write here whatever is your Sam value, whatever is your J value, please add that, and after that add a space. Now if I run this thing, is it wow guys? I need all of your response. Everyone understand. Let's say I change this value from J to I. Someone is typing, sir, why not I? So let's change this thing from J to I. Now tell me guys, I is my Dadaji. That means I is my row, right? At this point, sare I value 1 here, right? At this point, all these are row 2. At this point, all these are row 3 only. At this point, all 4, all are row 4. All of these are row 5 only, right? Do I need this? मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए, right? If I need this, in that case, I need I, right? But I need here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3. What is this? This is my SAM value. So that is the reason I want to add here J. So back plus whatever J value that you are having starting from 1. Let's say I value is 3. So for I value 3, how J will behave? J will start from 1, then 2, and J will go till 3. So 1, 2, 3. So for I value 3, you are printing here 1, 2, 3. For I value 4, you are printing here 1, 2, 3, 4. For I value 5, you are adding here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For I value 2, you are adding here 1, 2. For I value 1, you are adding here 1. That is how this loop is working. Is that clear to all of you guys? I need all of your response so far. Right? Okay, one more question, guys. Now we solve this problem. Now we need to solve this problem. I need all of your response again from scratch, guys. How many times Dadaji is running? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. So total Dadaji is running 5 time. Okay. How many times Sam is running? Can I say Sam again running is a variable time, right? It depends on Dadaji, right? Yes or no? Because maximum it is running 5, but 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tell me one thing, guys. Here, what is my Dadaji value? Let's say here my Dadaji value is 1. Here my Dadaji value is 2. Here my Dadaji value is 3. Here my Dadaji value is 4. Here my Dadaji value is 5. I need all of your response. I know that Sam running is dependent on Dadaji value. Now tell me one thing. अगर दादाजी value 1 है, right? Now see this previous example once, guys, then you will understand. Dadaji value is 1. Dadaji is able to give 1 power. Dadaji value 2. Dadaji is able to give 2 power. Dadaji value 3. Dadaji value is giving me 3 power. Dadaji is 4. Dadaji is able to give 4 power. Dadaji 5, Dadaji is able to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power. So it is matching. Now tell me one thing. Agar if I do Dadaji value 1 here, can Dadaji able to give 5 power? अगर दादाजी का वैल्यू ही 1 है, क्या दादाजी 5 पावर दे सकता है कभी? No, right? How? So what value I need for Dadaji here? Such that Dadaji give the 5 power at first. तो दादाजी का वैल्यू शुड बी 5 हियर, यस और नो? अगर दादाजी का वैल्यू इधर 5 होता है, देन दादाजी विल गिव 1 पावर, 2 पावर, 3 पावर, 4 पावर, 5 पावर। एंड हियर दादाजी वैल्यू अगर 4 होता है, दादाजी विल गिव 1, 2, 3, 4 पावर। हियर दादाजी वैल्यू power is 3, so 1, 2, 3 power. Here dadaji value become 2, 1, 2 power. Here dadaji value will become 1, so 1 power. Are you getting, guys? Are you getting, guys? For Dadaji, we need a reverse loop. Yes or no? For Dadaji, we need a reverse loop starting from 5, going till 1. Why? Because I need that Dadaji, सबसे पहले Dadaji give me this 5 value so that Sam can run 5 times with maximum potential. क्या ये part सबको clear है, guys? Okay, so I need the maximum power from Dadaji initially, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my Dadaji in such a way that it will give me 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Now tell me, what should I write? Let I is equal to what? 1? No, I needs to start from 5. Now what I have to write? I should be greater than equal to what? कहाँ तक जाना है? I need to go till 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And every time what I have to do? I plus plus. I minus minus. So initially start it with 5, then it makes 4, 3, 2, 1. So till 1 I need to go. So now if I run this thing, so just this part if I run console.log I, what I'm getting? I'm getting value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means I know initially Dadaji will give highest power to Sam, which is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Is that clear, guys? Can you type 1 so far? Okay. Now tell me how many times Sam will be running. So Sam will be running dependent time, right? So for let j is equal to 1, j less than equal to dependent on Dadaji, right? I and then j plus plus. So now I'm going to write the same thing. Who will be giving empty bag? So let bag is equal to empty string Dadaji, right? Who will be collecting apple? Okay, Sam. So bag is equal to bag plus, let's say, n star and empty string, right? After that, let's say I'm printing whatever I find in a particular row. So console.log bag, right? So now let's run it, what we are getting. Wow, guys. Our problem solved. First, tell me one thing. Our problem solved, right? Yes. Now let's understand quickly how it is working under the hood. Okay. Now tell me, I value is 5. Okay. It started from 5. What is the first condition? 5 greater than equal to 1. Is that true, guys? Yeah, 5 is greater than equal to 1. Definitely true, right? So what it will be doing? It will be running all this thing, right? Okay, bag is equal to empty string. Again, your loop started. J is equal to 1. Now tell me, what is the first condition? 1 less than equal to I. What is your I value, guys? I value is 5. So 1 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, it is true. So you are coming down console dot no bag is equal to bag plus 1 star 1 string. So your bag value will become 1 star 1 space, right? After that j plus plus, your j value will become 2. Now tell me, 2 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Again, yes, it is true. Will come down, you will be adding a new star. So your new bag value will become 1 star 1 space, 1 more star 1 more space, right? Okay. After that j plus plus, this 2 will become what? 3. Now tell me, 3 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, it is true. So you will be adding 1 star 1 space, 1 star 1 space जो पहले था, you will be adding 1 more star, 1 more space. Again j plus plus, 3 will become 4. Now tell me, 4 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, that is true. Again, you will be adding 1 more star. So 1 star, 1 space, 1 more star, 1 more space, 1 more star, 1 more space, 1 more star, 1 more space, right? After that, this 4 will become 5. Now tell me, 5 less than equal to 5. Is that true? Yes, that is also true. So your final bag value will become 1 star, 1 space, 1 star, 1 space, 1 star, 1 space, 1 star, 1 space, 1 star, 1 space. So total 5 star, 5 space you are adding. So j plus plus, this 5 value will become 6. Your condition will break. Your inner loop will break from this thing. Console.log bag. How many star you have there in your bag? 5 star, 5 space you have printed. After that, I minus minus, this 5 value will become 4. So 4 less than equal to, greater than equal to 1, which is again true. Now tell me, guys, here I value will be 4, right? So how many time your Sam will run? Your Sam will be running 4 times. So how many star Sam will be collecting? Sam will be collecting 4 star. That is why 4 star you will be getting here. After that, 4 value will become 3. Sam will be running 3 times, 3 star. 3 will become 2. Sam will be running 2 times, 2 star. 2 will become 1. Sam will be running 1 time, 1 star. After that, this 1 will become 0. Now tell me, 0 greater than equal to 1. Is that a true condition? No, that is a false condition. Your outer loop will terminate from the loop. By the time it terminates, you will be saying all this beautifully printed out. So क्या ये सबके लिए clear है guys? You can take a screenshot quickly. Understood all of you how things are working. Same story guys, same logic with some minute difference. Same story is still relevant here, right? Okay. So now tell me one thing guys, if you really understood this thing, can you print this? Now I don't need that. Can I print this thing? Yes. So what I have to add guys, I or j. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is row 5. This is row 5. This is row 4. This is row 3. This is row 2. This is row 1. So what I have to add, I or j. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is j value guys. This is sam value, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do. So let's say instead of star, if I write here j is equal back equals to back plus j plus 1 space that you have, right? So now if I run this thing, what I'm getting? Wow. I'm getting this exact output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. So yes. I need all of your response, guys. So far, everything is clear to all of you guys. Okay. So now let's do a quick revision, whatever things we have learned. Okay. So we started about this story of Sam and Dadaji, right? Okay. Same thing is remaining here. We are using same thing, same story here, right? Okay. We see this output. We see I and J convention. We see some pattern problems, how we can solve different patterns using a nested loop, right? Okay. Now, two more things we need to discuss today quickly. Okay. Okay. Yes, guys, you can solve it using without bag also. But I want all of you to start solving using bag first because this is the basic like raw level feature that any program can support. Okay. So data is equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. I need all of your response, guys. How many times outer loop will run? Can you tell me? How many times Dadaji will be running here for this snippet? Dadaji 5? How? For this, Dadaji will start from 1, then 2, then 3. So it will start from 1, 2, 3, done. So total 3 times it will run, right? Okay. Now let's do one thing. For let j is equal to 1, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. How many times inner loop will run? Inner loop, that means Sam will run again 3 times. How? It will start from 1, 2, 3. Okay, so total 3 times. So how many times, whatever I have written here, how many times this console will be running? Let's say here I'm writing console dot log I comma j. So very simple. So outer loop is running 3 times. Okay, inner loop is running 3 times. So how many times this deeply nested code will run? So 3 multiplied by 3. So total 9 times it will run. So if I run this thing, what I'm getting? I'm getting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is for row 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is for row 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is for row 3. That means 1, 2, 3. Is that clear to all of you guys so far? Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add here something. Here I'm writing I is equal to 3. तो जब भी दादाजी का वैल्यू सैम के वैल्यू से इक्वल होगा, what you have to do? You have to do anything. You have to break your loop. Okay. Now, one thing I want to ask to all of you here. Okay, let me write it quickly. Console.log. Can you quickly confirm, guys? ये जो break I have written, in which loop I have written this break? कौन से लूप के अंदर ब्रेक लिखा है? If this break is running, which loop will terminate? अगर ये ब्रेक रन होता है तो कौन से लूप टर्मिनेट होता है? वेरी वेरी स्टार पॉइंट गाइस. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल. दिस ब्रेक इज रिटन inside inner loop, inside sam loop, exactly. So this break is written inside sam loop. So whenever this break will run, जब भी ये ब्रेक रन होगा, सैम लूप विल टर्मिनेट, नॉट द पेरेंट लूप विच इज दादाजी। क्या ये पार्ट क्लियर है सबके लिए? क्योंकि ये ब्रेक इज रिटन इनसाइड माय सैम लूप, सो व्हेनेवर this break will be running by triggering this condition, my SAM loop will be terminate, not my parent loop. ठीक है। Now tell me one thing. When I'm starting this loop running, what is the start value of that? 1, 2, 3, and this will run total 3 times. Is that clear? It will start from 1, Dadaji, then 2, and then 3. Total 3 times it will run. Again, for each Dadaji value, Sam will start from 1, 2, 3. Done? Okay. Now tell me one thing. 1 for Dadaji value 1, how many times Sam will be running? Sam will be running 3 times. So 1, 1, then 1, 2, okay, then 1, 3. Okay, then Dadaji value 2, Sam will be running 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then Sam will be, Dadaji will be 3, it will be running 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. क्या ये clear है to all of you? I need all of your response so far. Okay, now tell me guys, when Dadaji value is 1, Sam value is also 1. Tell me, Dadaji value 1, Sam value is also 1. Is that condition true? Yes. So I'm writing here break. Then what will happen? My whole SAM loop will terminate. I'm not going to go to 2 because इसमें ही break लग गया, right? Now दादाजी will simply go, hey, इस iteration पे तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. Let's move to the next iteration. Understood? Now let's first run it, then we'll understand. Okay. So tell me guys, what is the output we are getting? We are not getting total 9 output here. Why? Let's understand. So when Dadaji loop will start, it will start from 1, 2, 3, right? First it will start from 1. So for Dadaji value 1, Sam will start from 1, 2, 3. Now first value of Sam will be 1. So 1, 1. So I value is 1, J value is 1. Is that matching? Yes, it is matching. I'm writing break. That means I'm ending this whole inner iteration. So it will not going to go here. Done. ये पूरा loop terminate हो जाएगा and दादाजी will move I plus plus. दादाजी will move to next iteration which is 2. Now tell me, for Dadaji value 2, Sam will again start from 1. Now for Dadaji value 2, which is I value is 2, Sam value is 1. Is that matching? No. So console.log I comma j. What is I value? Dadaji value 2, Sam value is 1. After that, j plus plus. So Sam will now move to value 2. Now tell me, Dadaji value is 2. Sam value is also 2. Is that condition breaking? Again, it is breaking. So, agar ye break hota hai, what you have to do? Everything will terminate here. Dadaji will move to the next iteration. Now tell me guys, Dadaji value 3, Sam will again start from 1. Now tell me 3, 1. Is it matching? No. So I have to print 3, 1. Okay. Now tell me, Sam will move to 2. Dadaji value is 3, Sam value is 2. Now tell me 3, 2. Is it matching? Again not matching. So I'm going to print console.log I comma j, which is 3, 2. Now tell me again Sam is moving to the next deduction, which is Dadaji value is 3, Sam value is 3. Is it matching? Yes, it is matching here. So I'm writing here break. So Sam value is ending here, terminating, and Dadaji try to move to the next value, but oops, there are no value present. Dadaji also come out of this loop. And by the time it come out, these are the 3 output you are getting. Why you are not getting 9 output? Because you are proactively ending this loop because of this break statement. क्या ये clear है सबके लिए guys? I need all of your response. Is that clear? Or repeat? Tell me once quickly. How many times this loop is running? Very simple. Yes, I'm going to repeat again. How many times this loop is running? ये बता दो. दादाजी का loop कितने बार run होगा? This loop will run 3 times, right? Okay. What will be the starting value of दादाजी? दादाजी का स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू क्या है? 1, and then it will become 2, and then it will become 3. Okay, how many times Sam will run for each Dadaji? Again it will be running 3 times. What is the starting value? Starting value will be 1, and then 2, and then 3. Okay, now Dadaji value 1, first condition, 1 less than equal to 3, which is a true condition. You are coming down. Now again your Sam loop start. What is the first value? J value start from 1, right? 1 less than equal to 3, which is again true. Now you are coming down. Tell me guys, Dadaji value 1, Sam value also 1. So 1, 1. Is that matching? True. So that is matching. You are writing this break. So what it will do? So this break will terminate your inner Sam wala loop. Ye loop khatam. Tata, bye bye. Everything end. You are coming at the end. I plus plus. What will be your Dadaji value? Your Dadaji value will become 2. So 2 less than equal to 3. What is this, guys? This is again true. You will be coming down. Again your J will start from 1. 1 less than equal to 3. Is that true? Yes, it is true. Now we'll come down, guys. Your Dadaji value is 2. Sam value again start from 1. 2, 1. Is that matching? No. Console.log 2, 1. You are printing. After that, J plus plus, your 1 value will become 2. So 2 less than 3, guys. Is that true? Yes, that is true. You are again coming down, guys. Tell me, guys. Parent value, Dadaji value was 2. Sam value now become 2. So 2, 2. Is that matching? Yes, that is matching. Again, you will be writing break. Again, your inner loop will terminate here. You will be coming at the end. I plus plus. Dadaji will move to the next iteration, which is 3. Now tell me, Dadaji value will become here 3. So 3 less than equal to 3, which is again a true condition. You are coming down. Again, your Sam will start from 1, right? Okay, first 1. Now tell me, Dadaji value is 3, Sam value is 1. Is that matching? No. You are printing console.log I comma j. So 3 Dadaji value, Sam value is 1. You are printing. After that, again J plus plus, your Dadaji value, your Sam value will increment to the next iteration, which is true. Now tell me, 3, 2, is it matching? Dadaji value is 3, Sam value is 2. Again not matching, you are printing console.log 3, comma 2. After that, the Sam will increase to next iteration, which is 3. Now tell me guys, Dadaji value 3, Sam value also 3. Is it matching? Yes, it is matching. So you are writing here break. That means again your inner loop will terminate. You are coming at the end I plus plus. What will your I value? Your I value will become 4. Tell me guys, 4 less than equal to 3. Is that true? क्या 4 3 से छोटा है या इक्वल है? No, right? That is not a true. So you are getting a false statement. That means your outer loop will terminate now, and by the time it terminates, you are getting 2 1 3 1 3 2 output printed in your console. Is that clear, guys? Can you take a screenshot of this thing? Understood, all of you? Right? Okay, so done, guys. So this is a homework, guys. Again, we'll start. Don't worry, we'll start again with this from tomorrow, right? Please take a screenshot of this code. Task number 1, what you have to do, you have to take a screenshot of this, write the exact thing in your output, in your terminal, in your console, okay? And then click on this run button, see this output, and do a dry run. हो जाएगा, guys. Can you quickly type 1? So exact code you need to do a dry run by your own, right? And this is your task number 1. What is task number 2? Task number 2 is very simple. So one small change you have to done. Instead of break, you need to write here continue. Now, how you will get this output, that is you need to do in your homework. And don't worry, we'll be starting from here tomorrow onwards. So take a screenshot of this as well. This is your task number 2. You need to tell how we can get this output. You need to do a dry run using pen and paper. श्योर हो जाएगा, राइट, कंफर्म, right? Okay, so let me recap, guys, whatever things we have learned. This is the only story you need to remember, guys. Whatever pattern painting question we solve, please ensure you solve it by your own as well using dry run. Okay, and then we understand about break and continue statement. It is the same, guys, but don't worry, we'll start it again from tomorrow onwards. Okay, so that is it, guys, for nested loop. So let me stop the recording here.